Hey everyone, it's Bernie with Raw Customs Designs. I'm doing a two-color decal today. White for the main part and then a green ribbon. Alright, here we go. This one's a little bit different. Only because the main part, as you can see, is on top of the green. So obviously I can't do the green first and then center it on top of the white, so I'm going to have to do the white first and then on top of the green. Which, if you saw my last video, I took the smaller ones, put the transfer paper on them first, peeled up, and then went on to the bigger ones. Well, this one's a little bit different because of the way it is. Like I said, before you get started on something, you got to make sure you plan everything out ahead of time. Alright, so first we're going to do the white piece. Get my transfer paper. Always use clear on multicolor, that way you can see it. Alright, just going to center it in the center there. Use my squeegee, get it all nice and flat and tight. We want all the letters coming up right now. Alright, so I'm going to peel it up, make sure everything comes up. And it's not. See that? So I'm just going to go back and just rub it with my finger. It'll come up in a second. Alright. Save this piece. We're going to be using that again. The smaller piece. Trick to this one is obviously it's bigger than the ribbon, right? So we don't want to press it down and have our letters touch our outside mat. So, pick your position. Only press down the center and where the green is at. And then peel it up. That can go in the trash. And we're going to put that right back on the piece we already had. Squeegee it back down. And then trim our edges. And that's that. The most important thing about doing multicolored decals, have a plan. Make sure you know what needs to go on top, on the bottom, and it'll be as easy as doing a single color. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to catch me on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram. Of course, you're watching me on YouTube. And there's the finished product. And of course, always support Cali's Crusaders. www.facebook.com/acure4cali. Have a good day.